Market Prospects, delivering timely information and education to prairie farmers for 30 years. Market Prospects is brought to you by the University of Saskatchewan's Department of Bioresource Policy, Business and Economics, and these sponsors. Log on to marketprospects.usask.ca to view past programs and for information on upcoming programs.
Well, this week in our Market Prospects interview, we focus on the Agricultural Producers Association of Saskatchewan and Farmers Investment. And we're pleased to have as our guest APAS President Norm Hall. Mr. Hall, thanks for coming on Farmgate.
Thanks for having us, Bob.
Right off the top then, what is the history, I guess, and as well as the purpose of APAS?
Well, APAS was formed from a 1999 resolution at SARM to have a general farm organization in Saskatchewan. So we're based on municipal boundaries. And when an RM joins APAS on behalf of their ratepayers, then all of the ratepayers within the RM become members of APAS and can take advantage of the benefits of APAS. And we're a policy organization, and in Saskatchewan, we speak with the provincial government. We're on the Provincial Chamber of Commerce as well. Nationally, we go to Canadian Federation of Agriculture, Canadian Human Resource Council, Canadian Ag Safety Association, and Crop Logistics Working Group.
So at this point, where is APAS focusing its resources and efforts for Saskatchewan farmers? And do you work with other farm organizations?
Right now, we're working on, in the past few years, it's been water issues. Too much, of course. But unfortunately, what we're looking at is an old adage. In Saskatchewan, you're never more than 2 weeks away from a drought. And the western half of the province is looking really dry. So what we have been working at is both flood-proofing and drought-proofing the province, and conversation with Saskatchewan government on that. And the BRM, business risk management deficiencies there. Grain transportation has been a huge issue for us. The shortcomings, the lack of investment, and not being able to move our crops properly, and most recently on the Canadian Transportation Act review, with Sask Wheat, Sask Barley, and Sask Pulse, we put forward the Saskatchewan Farmer Voice submission to the review.
So into the future, where do you see your main focus then?
Once again, grain transportation. And I guess I should say transportation in total, because we can't be saying that grain transportation should get priority over other commodities, but we need equal access to rail transportation, and also we need to look at educating the public on the investment Saskatchewan farmers have made in environmental sustainability and carbon footprint as well.
So how are the benefits for farmers of the work that APAS does identified and then as well quantified?
Well, in our work with Canadian Federation of Agriculture and so on, we have the opportunity to get our voice to the national stage, where a lot of the issues are happening, such as the grain backlog. We have identified a loss of $3.1 billion, and by taking this voice forward and getting changes through the CTA review and so on, we are hopefully going to see better policy and therefore more profitability for farmers. If we can see changes in the rate structure through the maximum revenue entitlement. Right now, producers are paying approximately $322 million over and above a fair value that we're seeing. So the profitability is for agriculture is where the benefits come in, and membership in APAS is equal to about the value of grease that you use on your farm.
So what else would you like farmers to know about what APAS is doing now and into the future then?
Right now, we're looking at a couple meetings happening this summer. July 20th in Saskatoon here, we've got a transportation forum just to talk about grain transportation. We're bringing in some very good speakers, and you can register online at apas.ca. Just go to the transportation forum, and we also have our midterm meeting coming up this summer. The next day, Tuesday, July 21st, all happening at the Saskatoon Inn. And also, APAS has a number of member benefits that are available for farmers, discounts at Ackland's and Mark's Work Warehouse, fleet deals at Chrysler, and a number of other benefits as well.
Well, thank you, Norm, for coming in to give us some information about APAS. Thank you very much.
Thanks, Bob.
Okay, we'll take a break again. We're back in 2 minutes. Please stay with us.